young rich nigga, know I got that cash.
I said easy, big fella.
I got cash. Walking lick my nigga, I got cash. Your bitch pull up on me, so I had to fucking smash. Pull up in the whip, it's 200 on the dash. Nigga, I'm a walking lick my nigga, I got cash. I got cash. Nigga, I'm a walking lick my nigga, I got cash. Swerving in the party, and you know I got that cash. Pull up in the whip, and this 200 on the dash. My nigga, I got cash. Swerving. Nigga, yes, I be swerving. Got a lot of bitch out there coming to me that I be curving. Swerving. Nigga, I'm a walking lick. Walking any lane. Walking any street. Nigga, you know I'm a lick. Because I got that brick. Nigga, but you better know I'm with the shits. Got a K on me, nigga, to protect it. Yeah, run up on me, you use your life as a shield. Hey, pull this nigga, you gon' feel. Hey, nigga, pull up, I'ma make you squeal. Hey, nigga, you cannot run up on me, no. Day, nigga, you better know I'm a walking lick. I got that cash. Pull up in the whip and it's 200 on the dash. Nigga, like the ice I be dripping and then I splash. Nigga, I'm a young rich nigga, yeah, I got cash. Nigga, I got cash. Cause I'm a walking lick. Every bitch just wanna suck on my dick, just to ensure that they get a brick. But everybody know these all are bitches. After your riches, first you're a walking bank, first you're a walking lick. These bitches want your money, they don't want you nor your dick. I'm a walking lick and I don't give a fuck, I'm with the shits, ayy. I got cash. I got cash. Nigga, I'm a walking lick, my nigga, I cash. Nigga, I'm a walking lick, my nigga, I got cash. 200 on my dash. Your bitch pull up on me, I had to smash. Because she know this nigga got that cash. Young rich nigga, a walking lick. All these bitches wanna get up on my fucking dick. Yeah, I'm a walking lick, a wonky bank. Yeah, pockets ever full up like the gas tank. I got the US a pound, the US a pound. Bitches they calling my phone, they wanna give me the dome. I know they want my cash. It's just more than a smash session. This bitch is looking for a fucking lick. I'm a walking lick.